To create a new pattern, all you have to do is navigate to the pattern library page. That's the page we're on right now. We'll enter the pattern name in the new pattern name box and click Create New. You'll see that a thumbnail has popped up below. This is essentially our pattern, and this is how we will access it later to calculate the quilt math. Before we do that though, there's a couple of pieces of information that we can change on this page to make it more helpful to us. To do that, we'll just click the pencil icon. Here we can add a thumbnail. We can change the pattern name. And we can add some notes to ourselves so we can remember what this pattern was for or any other additional information that might be helpful. If you want to swap the thumbnail photo, all you have to do is click on the thumbnail again. If you want to remove it entirely, click the trash can icon. To save this information, we'll just hit save. You'll notice that that's all updated on our pattern thumbnail. If you want to delete a pattern, you can click the archive icon at any time. This will move the pattern to the archive. It'll stay in the archive for up to 30 days, just in case you accidentally deleted it and need to restore it. To recover a pattern from the archive, just click the little arrow icon to move it back into the active patterns. We can also edit some of this information from the main screen here. If I want to edit the note that I've added, all I have to do is click into the box, and I can change my note. In Mathless, everything saves automatically, so all you have to do is click off of the thing, and it's already saved. To start working on the quilt math for any pattern, all you have to do is click the thumbnail or the pattern name to go to that pattern page. This is the main pattern page. This is where we'll be able to start adding all of the shapes needed for our design, as well as calculate all the quilt math.